welcome to the What We Do channel. One of the great things about being a winemaker and a barbecuer is that every year I get a finished barrel that I can take out of production when I add a new barrel into production. And that gives me beautiful oak staves to do something with. And after all, how many half-barrel planters does a mother-in-law actually need? So what I do is I cut them up and use them for making the most wonderful oak-flavoured barbecue. Nothing like a brisket that's been done with some French oak. My birthday is in a couple of weeks, and my sister and brother-in-law have given me this lovely saw. I'm not allowed to use it yet. Thank you for watching the What We Do channel, and have a great day.